What's up everybody, Ammar here, and this is episode 2 of AmmarTechnology new studio. In my last 2 videos I talked about my setup, my studio, my gears, my gadgets, and how I use most of my gears and gadgets. Then I managed to show the new studio. I talked about the move to the new place, and I talked about the new studio, and I managed to show some footage from my new place, and it was almost empty, just some chairs and desks. There was no gears and gadgets, but today I managed to finish this part of the studio, and I'm going to show it to you guys today. The work on the new studio still it's ongoing, and it's going to take more time because I have a lot of gears and gadgets. I need time to bring all the stuff to the new studio and keep it organized in a way so I can work in the new studio easily. Now guys, let me show you what I have finished so far. Okay guys, let me show you what I got here. In this place guys, I will keep all my cameras, my lenses, microphones, tripods, monopods, everything related to photography and videography. Let's start from here. And this is my old Nikon D90. This is my old DSLR. And here I have some old point and shoot cameras. I don't use these anymore. Some photo printer. And this is the box for my Shure PG42 USB microphone. Amazing microphone for recording voiceover using Mac and Windows. One day I will make video about this one. And here I managed to put my Rode microphones. This is the Rode wireless filmmaking kit microphone. I have 2 Rode wireless filmmaking microphones. This is the Rode Video Micro, and on top of the camera now I have the Rode Video Mic Pro. This is the Video Micro, and on top of the camera now I have the Rode Video Mic Pro. I love Rode microphones. It's reliable and the sound quality is really amazing. These 2 cases to keep my memory cards safe. And this is my iCan on-field 4K camera monitor. This monitor guys, it is 7-inch and it supports 4K signal. I'm using this one to monitor my 4K footage, especially when I'm shooting outside. If I want to make sure my exposure is correct, if I want to use larger screen, larger monitor, bigger than the built-in camera monitors, I use this one, the iCan 7-inch on-field camera monitor. One day I will make video about this one as well. It's amazing camera from iCan. Now let's move forward, and as you can see guys, this is my Nikon D750, my favorite full frame DSLR from Nikon, and in front of it I have the Nifty 50, the Nikon 50mm 1.8 prime, and this is the full frame 24 to 120mm f4 lens from Nikon, and this one is the 70 to 300mm lens. These, the 3 lenses I use with the Nikon D750. I have plans to get the 70 to 200 and the 24 to 70. So, and also I will make full reviews about the new lenses once I got it, and I will share it with you guys on this channel. And this is my Nikon SB900 flash, still amazing flash. I'm using it with my Nikon DSLRs, and this is the Godox X1 trigger. I use this trigger to trigger the flash system from the Nikon camera using wireless without having wires or cables. Now let's move to this part. This is the videography part. This is my first video camera from Sony, this one. And this is my Sony AX100. I managed to shoot the intro of this video using the Sony AX100. And now I'm filming this with my Sony AX53 camcorder. This one, it used to be full HD. I don't use it anymore now. This is 4K. The camera I use now to shoot this video is 4K. And this is the Sony action camera, which is also 4K. I have here some small tripods and some accessories for the Sony action camera. And here I'm keeping now some grips, some articulating arms, some accessories to attach it to my cameras, to the rig, to the tripods and monopods. And here some small bags to carry it with me when I'm outside, to carry my stuff when I'm outside. This chair, guys, I will use it again when I'm starting again shooting some videos for the series that I have on this channel, which is AmmarTechnology, photography and videography news. And now let's talk about these. This is the Manfrotto O55 tripod, and on top of it the Manfrotto ball head, and this is the Manfrotto the Manfrotto 190 tripod, and on top of it the 3-ways head. And this is the Manfrotto monopod. This is actually photography monopod, but somehow I customize it and I add to it this video fluid head. Sometimes I use it for video as well. This from Manfrotto, and this is the video monopod from Benro. I use this monopod to shoot also the intro of this video. And here I have some bags to take it with me while I'm traveling, to store all my gears and gadgets. I have some backgrounds, the green background. I will make one video about the green background, how to use it in your videos, and how to change this background in the editing, in the video editing softwares. Some bags here as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. This is the part I managed so far to finish. More stuff coming. I will shoot more videos. I will talk about more gears and gadgets. I will show you the progress in more episodes until we finish this studio, until I manage to organize all my gears and gadgets in the way I want. Then I can start shooting in more regular basis and share the results with you guys on this channel. Guys, please don't forget, if you like this video, please like it, share it if you want to share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notification every time when I'm publishing a new video. And I will catch you guys all in the next video.